So this is how you can locate Steam games that are already installed. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Steam. Today you will learn how to find your Steam games that you've already downloaded. So let's go ahead and open up our library because this is where our Steam games will be. Now, as you may have noticed, Apex is grayed out while Super Autopets has a white font. Let's go ahead and open up Apex, and as you can see, it says install. Usually when you already have the game, it's going to say played. Now this means that I haven't downloaded the game. So once we open up Super Auto Pets, it says play. Basically, the thing is, the games that you've already downloaded are highlighted in white, and the games that you haven't downloaded and are just sitting in your library are just grayed out, as you can see right here. Super Auto Pets, I've already downloaded that one, and Apex Legends I haven't downloaded, which means it's grayed out, and it means that I have yet to download it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can find out. Once again, go to library and then look for the games that are highlighted in white and for the games that are grayed out. If they're grayed out, that means you haven't downloaded them. And if you're looking for Steam games that you've already installed, that means you're gonna have to look for the white ones. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.